I started here as a AEM developer, and my complete journey is a mix of management plus development.
I started as a normal employee, right? I was given the opportunity to be part of the first project in Israel.
So I joined in Kennametal in 2016 after my graduation through apprentice program, and now I am working as an associate engineer.
I joined Kennametal in 2010 as a junior design engineer, and I will be approaching my 15 years with the company.
So Kennametal has given me an opportunity to use the latest tools and technologies.
Kennametal has changed my face as a professional. They have given me many technical exposure that I need as an engineer. So in that way, if I see, I'm a way better person.
It not only helped me upskill my technical knowledge, but also helped me become a great leader what I am today.
Kennametal has provided me with multiple learning opportunities by providing technical as well as managerial trainings.
And if you want to grow in your career, if you're a hardworking, if you're dedicated, no one can stop you in Kennametal. They are always encouraging you and supporting.